I'll be showing you the top FAQ builder apps for your Shopify store. For each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at their features, pricing, and reviews so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. First up, we have Store FAQ that lets you build FAQs on your store and answer your commonly asked questions. It's a drag and drop builder that has a magic AI auto write feature. This makes it really easy to create stunning FAQ pages. It also lets you write them way faster with the help of AI. And you can design the pages with the utmost flexibility, and it makes it really easy to organize everything as it's drag and drop. And in terms of pricing, it's completely free. It's hard to argue with that price there. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with 12 5-star reviews. If we take a look at one of the latest reviews here, this merchant said that the customer service person they spoke with was a great help. He understood their request and helped them achieve it exactly what they needed. Next up, we have Moose. It's an omni-channel support hub. It includes live chat, WhatsApp, SNS, and an FAQ and multi-language widget. So it's an all-in-one customer support that makes it really easy to communicate with your customers, and it has an intuitive workspace layout, and it has a one-click setup FAQ builder that's really easy to customize with pre-made templates. And you also get an FAQ page and an FAQ in the widget itself. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 5 stars with 255 5-star reviews. If we take a look at the AI summary, merchants highly recommend this app for its user-friendly interface and seamless Shopify integration, and it offers robust features like live chat, FAQ, ticketing, and order tracking. This latest review here says that this merchant was skeptical about using an app with so few reviews, but the experience was really great. In terms of pricing, it does say it's completely free as well. Next up, we have SB Help Center and FAQ tabs. So it's an AI SEO-friendly FAQ builder, and it also includes product tabs, live chat, and a help desk. So you can create FAQs in seconds with AI, saving time and effort. The app has 24/7 support as well, and you can explore tons of other features, helping to drive resolutions faster, such as FAQ pop-ups, chatbots, as well as product tabs on your product pages. And you can centralize all your inquiries in one place, connecting live chat, email, and Facebook all within the app. You can also translate FAQs to multiple languages with AI, and you can personalize your FAQ page as well by selecting from one of the 12 pre-made templates, and from there you can adjust the colors, layouts, and preview changes instantly. In terms of pricing, it's free to install, and it's 25 cents per each additional ticket. Basic plans start at $5.99, where you get unlimited FAQs, and it's 16 cents per ticket. And on the basic plan, you also get premium templates, unlimited shared tabs, and 50 tickets per month included. And it looks like the free plan does have 10 tickets per month included by default. And pricing goes up in increments based on the exact amount of tickets, and if you want FAQ translations or the advanced features. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.7 stars with over 1,000 5-star reviews. And according to the AI summary, merchants highly value this app for its comprehensive FAQ sections, contact forms, and live chat. Our last app is called Help Lab FAQ Page that lets you easily create FAQ pages for your store to help reduce customer service time. It makes it easy to build an intuitive, responsive FAQ page where you can show FAQs anywhere with seamless app embeds as well. And you can design it to effortlessly align with your brand and style. You can also customize with a rich, user-friendly editor and even add your own CSS. In terms of pricing, it's free for 10 FAQs. We get unlimited categories and unlimited customization. At $3.99, you get 30 FAQs. And $7.99 you get unlimited, as well as multi-language support and premium templates. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 5 stars with 435 5-star reviews at the time of recording. And if we take a look at one of the latest reviews from a merchant who has spent over 2 years using the app, it's a spectacularly organized one and easy to set up. Whether you have 5 questions or 500, it's so clear and easy to navigate for the end user with so many customizations for shop owners. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's a real-time profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time updates, giving you a ton of different analytics, metrics, and information so you can make smarter business decisions. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts, as well as many cost of goods sold options. There's a 15-day free trial, so you can test drive everything for yourself You can find it on the Shopify App Store by searching for Profit Calc and looking for this logo in the top left. I'll also leave a link in the description below that will bring you to the Shopify app listing directly. Again, there's a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check that out. So this concludes the video here on the top FAQ builder apps for your Shopify store. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.